In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D scanner that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. New EinScan Pro HD 3D Scanner. The new EinScan Pro HD 3D Scanner is a comprehensive solution designed for versatile and high-quality scanning applications. This all-inclusive package caters to the scanning needs of various objects, ranging from small, 1-inch, to large, 10 feet, items, making it suitable for a wide range of industries and purposes. One of its standout features is its ability to capture fine details with impressive precision. With a minimum point distance of 0.2 mm, it ensures accuracy in handheld HD scanning without the need for markers. This capability allows users to capture intricate details with ease, making it ideal for applications that require high-resolution scanning. Furthermore, the scanner is equipped with color texture scanning capabilities, enabling users to capture full color textures along with geometry. This feature enhances scanning efficiency by eliminating the need for additional preparation, thereby streamlining the scanning process. Number 2. Revopoint POP 3D Scanner. The Revopoint POP 3D Scanner offers superior precision and stability, making it an ideal tool for various applications. Equipped with an IMU and 2 powerful infrared LEDs, it ensures seamless frame stitching and fast, stable marker tracking. With scanning speeds ranging from 12 to 18 frames per second, FPS, and a single frame precision of up to 0.05 mm, along with a point distance of 0.05 mm, intricate details can be quickly and accurately captured. One of its standout features is its high-fidelity color scans. The scanner's RGB camera, with a 20% larger aperture, allows more light to reach the sensor, resulting in vibrant, lifelike 3D scans. Dual white LEDs illuminate and remove shadows from the scanned object, ensuring vivid and realistic full-color captures. In terms of connectivity, the Revopoint POP 3 offers advanced options. Users can enjoy seamless and efficient connectivity through Type-C USB or Wi-Fi 6 connections. This allows for swift and stable data transfer, whether plugged in directly or connected wirelessly to a computer or smartphone. Number 3. Creality 3D Scanner CR Scan. The Creality 3D Scanner CR Scan is a cost-effective high-quality scanner that offers a magical and wonderful scanning journey at an affordable price. It features dual-mode scanning, providing options for wide-range and high-precision scans tailored to specific needs like human body, furniture, cars, and medium-sized statues. The scanner boasts a high scan speed of up to 30 fpt, enhancing scanning fluency, and optimal results are achieved with high-configuration devices. Additionally, the CR Scan Ferret includes a built-in high-resolution color camera for full-color scanning, capturing real-world details accurately even in bright sunlight. Its compact design makes it portable and easy to handle with one hand, weighing only 105 grams for effortless transportation in a pocket or backpack. It is important to note that additional Wi-Fi 6 wireless bridge accessories are required for compatibility with Mac and iOS devices. Number 4. Seal 3D Scanner. The 3D Maker Pro Seal 3D Scanner is known for its exceptional accuracy and high-resolution capabilities. It utilizes advanced blue light encoded structured light technology to capture minute details such as dents, textures, and edges with precision. The inclusion of a 24-bit color camera and flash LED ensures full color fidelity, enhancing the vibrancy and clarity of scanned objects. Moreover, the Seal 3D scanner offers a smooth scanning experience by incorporating professional survey-grade optical lenses and single-frame encoded structured light technology. This results in efficient scanning processes and the generation of high-quality 3D models at a rate of 10 frames per second. The device's software, JM Studio, plays a crucial role in maintaining scanning quality and offers a range of editing capabilities. Continuous software development has led to enhanced features and supports multiple languages, with lifelong free OTA updates. JM Studio integrates scanning, editing, and fusion functions, eliminating the need for third-party software. Number 5. Matter Inform MFS 1v2 3D Scanner. The Matter Inform MFS 1v2 3D scanner is designed in Canada to cater to users ranging from beginners to professionals. It features the Matter Inform Plus Quick Scan software, enabling users to obtain complete geometry in a short span of 65 seconds. This 3D scanner is positioned as a perfect companion for 3D printing, allowing for seamless integration into the workflow. With up to 0.1 mm accuracy using eye-safe red lasers, it is supported on both Windows and Mac platforms, offering multiple export options for 3D printing. The sleek and foldable design of the scanner facilitates easy storage and keeps the workspace organized, with an integrated case protecting the turntable and camera when not in use.